So we just got back from a 1,700-mile road trip and we killed a lot of bugs. So there's no better time to actually try out Porsche's bug remover. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow the instructions and see if this works out. So one of the first things it says is to shake it. It says shake it well. So we're gonna shake it well. See a little bit of foam action. And then we're gonna go ahead and spray it on the area. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, we're gonna start right here. I'm not gonna do the whole front bumper. I'm just gonna try out this area here. And then the next thing it says, let's see, allowed to work for a short while. Well, they didn't specify what a short while is. And it says, use a sponge to help remove stubborn dirt, not stubborn bug remover. So this is kind of weird because it doesn't talk about insects, it talks about dirt. And it doesn't give you a time, how long you have to leave it in there. So we're just gonna set a timer for 5 minutes and then come back to it. So we waited about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's pretty much dried up. It fell down, and I'm gonna agitate it with an old detailer sponge that I have that I'm willing to throw away. And let's see if the bugs... All right, it seems like the bugs come off a little easier with the sponge, but let's see if they come off easy with water. So I think it helped out a little bit. I mean, the bugs definitely did come off. I mean, I'm sure Porsche made this product because it works, and it did work, but it didn't like annihilate the bugs right away. But I'm thinking they were trying to find a nice balance between being safe on the paint and also doing its job. So I would say it does its job, but you have to help it. Maybe if I let it sit there for 10 minutes, it will be a little bit better. But you guys make your own opinion based on what you saw. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching another video by Driver's Therapy. This time, Driver's Therapy review. You guys stay safe, and we will see you soon.